Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today I'm here with Shannon, my cousin's daughter.
Hi.
And we are going to make
mini cheesecakes.
That's right. It's going to be quick, easy. And how many cheesecakes are we going to make?
18.
18. But just because we want to do this quickly, we're only going to mix. We're going to mix for 18, but we're only going to prepare 6. Okay? So, first thing we need, Shannon?
We have 1 cup of crushed graham crackers.
Yep, we had to crush it. I wasn't thrilled. Okay, and we have
3 tablespoons of melted butter.
Melted butter. So yes, it has to be hot, melted. You gotta melt it when you're ready to use it. Okay, and we are going to put
2 tablespoons of granulated white sugar.
Okay, and so we're gonna mix this. And because this is what we are going to paste at the bottom of our cupcakes. And we just want to make sure it's saturated properly so that we can press that in. I don't know, do you think we needed more butter? No, I think we're all right. Okay, and so I just want to put a dash of Vietnamese cinnamon. You know I use that all the time. Just a little bit. And I'm going to put a dash of vanilla extract. Yeah, a dash. So Shannon and I are going to use our spoons and we're going to fill those cupcakes. So I guess we're going to share. Let's do it in the middle like that. Oh, but you can't see. Sorry about that. Wait a minute. So we're not going to put too much. We just want to fill the bottom. Sorry, Shannon.
It's okay.
And we want to make sure that when we press it down evenly. And we want everything to be, we don't want anything on the side because we want our cupcake to look good. Okay? So just take it down to the corner. Don't be afraid to press it, Shannon. Go a little harder, so that you have it completely down. No. You need a little more then, I guess. A little more, a little more. All right. Okay. And so, you know, you would do this for all 18 cupcakes. Again, as I said, interest of time, we're only going to demonstrate 6, but we're going to make the batch 4. And we don't want any of these I keep saying breadcrumbs, and it's not breadcrumbs, it's graham cracker crumbs. Okay, so I need this evenly, so you have to do it until it's even. So push it down. Do you want me to give you a smaller spoon, or you think you're okay?
I think I'm okay.
Okay, even, because when we take off the breadcrumbs, when we take off the paper, we don't want to have, we don't want to have a situation where it's uneven. Okay, so it's pretty cool. And you want to be careful. I think you put maybe 1 teaspoon. Nah, maybe this is 2 teaspoons in each cup, because you don't want to have too much breadcrumbs either. You know what I mean? And so, and you want this nicely packed and nicely tight. So I'm going to lift it up and show it to you so that you can just get a better view of it. But again, we want to spread it even. And hold on here. Yep, I think this is good. So, therefore, we have our graham cracker crust, and now we're going to mix the cheesecake part. So it's time to make the filling, correct?
Correct.
So here we have 3 8-ounce containers of cream cheese. I used the light cream cheese because I wanted to. But anyway, so we have softened it in the microwave, 30 seconds, softened it. What do we have?
We have 3/4 cup of sugar.
3/4 cup of sugar. And we want to put a little bit of vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You know, I'm just gonna measure by hand. And 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. We need a little bit of nutmeg. And of course, I don't make anything without Vietnamese cinnamon. So we're gonna put a little bit of that. We do need a little bit of lime zest. And that is, I don't know, to make the cheesecake good. So just a little bit. And that looks good?
Perfect.
All right. Okay, so lost my lemon there. I'm supposed to mix it. So let's see. So I'm trying to blend the sugar and the cream cheese together before I come with the eggs. How many eggs we have, Shannon?
3.
3 eggs. Who would believe making cheesecake is this easy? And this is great if you have a tea party, or you know, you have people coming over and you just want to get, you know, get something ready that's quick. Use what you have in the fridge. You have cream cheese, you have graham crackers. Okay. So I guess we're gonna kind of cream this a little bit because I want it to look smooth. Let me try one more level up, see what happens. All right. You know, if you're making a cheesecake, it needs to be smooth, right? And creamy. So if you don't blend the cream cheese and the sugar together, it's gonna be grainy. All right. Okay, so we have 3 eggs. What is the thing I always say about the egg, Shannon?
We always have to take the eye out.
And the reason why we take the eye is that little white slimy thing out of the eggs, because it makes your baked goods taste raw or not good. So always take the eye out. We've already taken the eye. We are gonna pour 1 egg at a time. So estimate 1 of those eggs there, Shannon. Maybe we'll do that first. That sounds good. Nice. So just incorporate that, okay? I think I'm ready for the second one. Okay, I think that's good. All right, I think we're ready for the last egg. Just pour all of it in there. All right, thank you. Then we're gonna garnish it. Maybe we'll garnish it with some fruit.
Some blueberries, maybe some strawberries.
Oh, Shannon, we forgot to tell them to preheat the oven. What temperature are we gonna preheat the oven?
325.
325, you heard it. So, I'm just gonna go a little bit faster just for that last, making it smoothie. Smooth, I mean. All right, I don't think we should be overbeating this. So, this is new. I don't know how to release this. So you know what we're gonna do? We are going to sit this over here. All right, that'll work. Okay, so we are going to try to, so that's our mixture, kind of thick.
Smells so good.
And I do need to taste it because I need to make sure it has enough sugar or what have you. It's good, but I want it to have a little more lemon zest, a little more zing. All right, that's just a personal preference. Okay, Shannon, so we are going to try as best as we can. Let me try to fill the first one, and then let's see. I don't think I'm using the right thing here.
It works.
You know, I bought something that was on Instagram that's supposed to help you to do this. And it came from China with no instructions. So we don't fill this up all the way. Go ahead, Shannon. You can go ahead. And it came with no instructions. So I have to wait until the commercial happens again for me to figure out how to use this gadget that I bought. So here I am doing it by hand. Be very careful not to get it on the side of the cup. I think it's better to put that flat, but well, you have to lift it up, you're right. You need a little bit more. Once you point it in the middle, there, oh. It's like artwork. We'll shake that later. I think we're good in that one. Yes. Yes, just point it to the middle. Yes. So, yes, we can do a little more. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. All right, turn it. No, no more for that one. So turn it this way. Bring it down so we can see it. Yeah, you're putting too much probably. Yeah. All right, there you go. I don't like to see the cupcakes and the paper is a mess. So we're trying to be very careful. It should look good before you eat it. Nice. Yep. Yes. Little patience goes a long way. Yep. Do a little slower now. Is that for the same one?
No.
Okay, hold on. You holding it? You got it? Okay, bring it down a little bit. Yeah, we should have used the ice cream scooper or something. But I can't find it. So, yeah. All right. I think you have done this pretty good. Okay. So, this looks good. We're going to bake at 325 for 25 to 30 minutes until this cheesecake sets. Okay, Shannon. Our cheesecakes are baked. They look great. And now it's time to decorate. So we're using all different types of fruit, and you could whip up some whipped cream and put that first and then put the fruit on, but I'm being lazy. So we're just gonna put the fruit. So Shannon's got her 4, I have my 4. Let's decorate, my dear.
Perfect. We have some kiwi, blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries.
Yep, I like kiwi, so I'm going with another kiwi slice. And I'm going with raspberries on top of that. And I guess that's plain, but let's put 2. Yeah. Yep. And on my strawberries. So I like this, it's pretty cool. Making a mess. Yep. One more, let Shannon decorate. Nice. Look at that. Oh, nice. See, leave it to the young people to be creative, right? Oh. These are still, oh, Shannon, that really looks good. I can't decide. Nope. I want this one to shine. Oh, you're getting funky now? It's going to the side. Wow.
Perfect. the last one.
Yep. And I want to go in order here. Ooh, we lost the strawberry there. But we're not perfect. And so we do have more cupcakes, but just to show you, this looks absolutely gorgeous. And we'd like to thank you for making mini cheesecakes with us.
Thank you for having me.
No problem. And we want you to subscribe. We want you to hit the notification button. And we do new videos all the time. This is so easy. And I forgot where I bought this rack, but I have 2 of them, but you can find them. And by the time we finish doing the other cupcakes, we'll have this fully decorated. It's really going to be beautiful. Nice centerpiece for folks. And mini cheesecakes with fresh fruit. And it was very easy to make, don't you think?
Yeah.
So, again, thank you. Please visit us at Shelly's Cuisine. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and my website is www.shellyscuisine.com. Visit us for the recipe. This is going to be in our sweet tooth section, sweet tooth twist section. That's where we got all the sweet stuff. And so, therefore, thank you. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.